Hey everyone, it's Jamie D here. Today, we're diving into the top 5 supplements that promise to enhance your longevity and vitality and keep you looking and feeling youthful and energetic. Stick around to find out how supplements like NMN and NR could be the secret to effective anti-aging. Kicking off our list is Resveratrol, a powerful compound found in the skin of red grapes. This natural wonder has been the subject of numerous studies. Resveratrol is a potent antioxidant that fights off free radicals, those pesky troublemakers that damage our cells and contribute to aging. By neutralizing these free radicals, Resveratrol helps maintain youthful skin and vitality. It's also linked to improved heart health and longevity. Studies suggest it can enhance cardiovascular function and promote a longer, healthier life. Who wouldn't want a piece of that? Embrace the benefits of Resveratrol and unlock the secrets to a more vibrant life. Next up is Coenzyme Q10 or CoQ10, a vital antioxidant for energy production within our cells. As we age, our natural CoQ10 levels decline, leading to fatigue and accelerated aging. Supplementing with CoQ10 boosts your cell's energy, improves heart health, and protects against sun damage. Talk about a win-win. Now, let's talk about omega-3 fatty acids, essential for brain and heart health. Omega-3s combat chronic inflammation linked to age-related diseases like heart disease and Alzheimer's. Regular intake of omega-3s can preserve memory, maintain skin elasticity, and extend lifespan. So make sure you're getting your daily dose of these powerful inflammation fighters. Nicotinamide Mononucleotide, or NMN, is generating buzz in the longevity world. This supplement boosts NAD+ levels, crucial for cellular function and energy production. As we age, NAD+ levels decline, but NMN can help recharge cells, promoting healthy aging and improved function. NMN enhances DNA repair, supporting optimal cellular function and reducing age-related disease risks. Last but not least, we have Nicotinamide Riboside, or NR, another rising star in anti-aging supplements. NR boosts NAD+ levels, supporting energy, metabolism, cognitive function, and cardiovascular health. Early studies suggest NR has the potential to slow down the aging process and protect against age-related diseases. Discover the top 5 supplements for anti-aging and longevity based on scientific research. From Resveratrol and CoQ10 to omega-3s, NMN and NR, these supplements support cellular health and vitality. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more wellness tips. Stay healthy and keep thriving.